Hi everyone, part 2, Age of Aquarius activation today. So this activation helps the light forces ground the energy of light on the surface of the planet to further stabilize the timeline that will lead to the long-awaited Age of Aquarius. The number of people doing this activation is the single most influential factor within the power of the surface human population for speeding up the process. The purpose of the whole 2020 Age of Aquarius timeline Stargate is to stabilize the Age of Aquarius positive timeline for our planet. During 2020, the dark forces have tried their hardest to prevent positive ascension timeline from manifesting. Now it is our collective chance for the positive ascension timeline to be anchored, secured and stabilized forever, and to ensure the rest of the planetary liberation process occurs smoothly and rapidly. The great Jupiter-Saturn Conjunction on December 21st is a great conjunction in Aquarius. It's the first great conjunction of Aquarius since 1405 and is happening exactly on the day of the winter solstice. This is the moment when the long-awaited energies of the Age of Aquarius will finally begin flowing in. So we're just going to do a quick little heart healing, planetary healing, and just enjoy. I hope you've been feeling absolutely fabulous today, and just keep being happy today, whatever goes on. It's all helping the planet. Okay. So breathe. Get that conscious energy happening in your brain. Hold your own space. This is a meditation which will co-create the trigger that will start the Age of Aquarius. This is a meditation which will co-create the trigger that will start the Age of Aquarius. Visualize a violet flame from its primary source to place a circle of protection around you during and after the meditation. So a huge purple flame keeping you safe, keeping you protected before, during, after this meditation. And we ask this violet flame to transmute anything that does not serve the light. Anything that does not serve the light, we ask it to move on. It is not welcome here. Visualize a pillar of brilliant white light emanating from the cosmic central sun, then being distributed to the central suns of all galaxies in the universe. Imagine those light forces transmitting to every sun of the known galaxies and the known universes. Visualize this light flowing through the M87 galaxy. That beautiful pillar of white light, white healing light, white activating light, triggering the Age of Aquarius. Relax and feel energized. Keep yourself relaxed. Visualize this white light flowing through the M87 galaxy and then entering through the galactic central sun, going all the way through our galaxy, all the way through our galaxy, and entering our solar system, going through all beings of light inside our solar system. All beings of light inside our solar system. All beings of light inside our solar system. Then through the sublunar space, and then through all beings on our planet Earth. And also through your body to the center of planet Earth. So see that light connecting from you to the center of the Earth and from you to every being on the planet. Every being on the planet being a being of light. A being of light. And then every planetary person spreading their light and love to all of the other people on the planet. Just visualize them popping up all over the place. Bathe that earth in golden light and that pure white energy. And then the connections to the other planets all through our galaxy and our solar system. Visualize this light transmuting all remaining darkness, healing all inequalities, erasing all poverty, and bringing abundance to all humanity. Visualize this light transmuting all remaining darkness on earth, healing all inequalities, erasing all poverty, bringing abundance to all humanity. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Do you know it's possible? Snuff out that darkness. Only allow light. Visualize a soft pink light of the goddess embracing all beings on planet Earth and healing their emotional bodies. Soft pink light of the goddess embracing all beings on planet Earth and healing all emotional bodies. So just see that pink light spreading from person to person, household to household, town to town, state to state, country to country, continent to continent, every man, woman, child on the planet. Beautiful pink, healing, golden light. Feel that love, feel that beauty, feel that power, feel that energy. Okay. Visualize a new grand cosmic cycle of the age of Aquarius beginning, bringing pure light, love and happiness to all beings on earth. Visualize your perfect life with the new age of Aquarius. How does that new perfect life look for you? Victory of the light. So if you can, join in with a group meditation today. There's meditations happening all over the planet. So I googled it earlier on and I just saw oodles and oodles of them. So find, even if you just do 15-20 minute visualization, make it clear that your meditation is to co-create the trigger which will start the age of Aquarius. Beautiful, everyone. Take care. Have a great day. Here's to the age of Aquarius.